came to Muscat on 21st of January 1979, and at that time infrastructure was very less, like roads, electricity and transportation. Our camp was in Wadi Kabir and there was no power available in our camp. We have our own genset for powers and lighting. CBD area, which was now is a Central Business District, there was only one building was there when I came. It was Central Bank of Oman. And second building, we are doing HVAC work, the building called as the Oman Arab Bank. And third building has come there, National Bank of Oman. There no other building was in CBD area, it was total sand dunes. Road light was only up to Vataiya. There was no light available right up to CB International Airport. Shati Al Quram, which is a posh area now, it was all sand dunes on the both sides of the road. I have seen this country grow in front of my eyes. Now you can see all over Oman green. In Oman, PDO is a main company to take out the oil from all wells, and Fahud is a main line pump station from where all oil is coming to the Fahud, and from Fahud it is all coming to Muscat. I visited Fahud in February 1979, and that time Fahud was a village, and today Fahud is a well-developed city. I am completing 42 years in January 2021, and this country will always be my first choice to live. I take the opportunity to express my gratitude to the Sultanate as it celebrates 50 years of press renaissance. As a respect, we also remember the late His Majesty Sultan Qaboos bin Said, the architect of the modern Oman, and His Majesty Sultan Haytham bin Tariq, who is carrying the legacy forward. May Allah bless him. You see, during my time in Oman, today you can see everything available in Oman. But when we came 79, the Dram Park, which you can see is a big beautiful park, there was a power station. And that power station was feeding the power to the whole Muscat, Dram Park, Matra area. And that time, everywhere if you see Barka, there is a power station with gensets. But today, everywhere they have put all the either gas turbine or the steam turbine, and they remove all the gensets. We see in the huge development and infrastructure in Oman, development, roads, university, airport. When I seen this airport, when I landed at Muscat airport, it was only 2 counters. And today you see that airport, such a beautiful airport has come in Muscat. Infrastructure and development during our period, it is huge. What was when we came, what was Oman that time, and what is today Oman? On this occasion, my family and I would like to wish everyone very happy 50 National Day.